This is a view from my bedroom window. It's starting to get windy. It's a misty rain right now, picking up. This is a view from Maui Watch Live. They're tracking the storm. Isn't that awful? It's gonna get really close to Maui and then head straight over to Oahu. That's where all the tall buildings are, and a lot of people live there. We'll see. We'll check another channel. Hold on. This is from the Hurricane Center. They're tracking. Yeah, guys, this storm is massive and it's heading straight for us. In all my life, I've never lived through anything like this. I've been through some hurricanes that dissipate or go south from the north side of Maui and head out over towards Lahaina area like Iniki did. It was 100 miles out of the Maui island, and Maui was just nailed during Iniki. So I don't know what's gonna happen with this one. I've done what I can with my house. Hopefully all goes well, and we shall see. So I got one more view to show, which is Windyty. Hold on. This is from excuse me, this is from Windyty. They're also tracking. And the statement here says, Hurricane Douglas is forecasted to pass dangerously close to the Hawaiian Islands. Yikes, guys! This is freaking scary. That is scary. Look at that. Nuts! Anyway, I'll give an update in a couple of hours. Right now it's 5 to 7 in the morning. So hopefully around 9 o'clock I'll do it again, film. But it takes a long time for it to upload to YouTube. And hopefully I don't lose my electricity. And I'll talk to you guys soon.